The four seasons and weather on a flat Earth can be easily explained and understood, and it perfectly explains what we actually see and experience. The Sun is close and small and circles around and above the flat Earth in a spiral pattern on the Tropic of Cancer in the northern summer months, and then down to the Tropic of Capricorn in the northern winter months. So when the Sun is further away from the North Pole, it's winter in the north and summer in the south. In the winter months, as the Sun circles on the Tropic of Capricorn and moves faster because it has farther to go in a 24-hour period. So that is why in winter the days are shorter and the Sun is farther down in the sky, because it is farther away on the Tropic of Capricorn. The Sun's movement above flat Earth also explains the 24-hour days in the summer and the endless nights in winter near the North Pole. As the Sun circles around the flat Earth on the Tropic of Cancer, it is visible 24 hours a day to those who live near the center of its daily circle. The flat Earth is an enclosed terrarium in which the Sun's path, the environment, and water create the water cycle of respiration, evaporation, and precipitation. This makes perfect sense on a flat enclosed Earth with a small, close Sun creating constant temperature changes as it circles above and around the flat Earth. These constant changes create weather. Weather is created by the close heat of the Sun as it heats the water and the air. Masses of warm and cold air then move from place to place, creating winds. Because the Sun is a close, small heat source, the water and air heat up fast and they cool down again as the Sun moves away at night time. The constant heating and cooling of the air and water inside the enclosed flat Earth terrarium create constant air movement and weather changes. This also creates changes in day and night temperatures and the drastic temperatures and changes we see in the seasons throughout the year. The Earth is a disk and the Sun, which is actually a lot smaller and a lot closer to us than what scientists would have you believe, hovers and moves around over this disk. Seasons happen because the Sun doesn't stick to the same path. When it's summer in the northern half of the disk, you can't call it the northern hemisphere. A hemisphere is a half of a sphere, that is because the Sun is closer to that part of the disk. When it's winter in the north it is because the Sun is hanging out over the southern half disk.